welcome back to my channel. So if you've watched any of my previous videos, you guys know I had ombre hair highlights, and I've also made a video on that. I have recreated Komal Pandey's hair highlights, and if you're planning to color your hair, then you should definitely check that video. I'll put the link in the description box. So coming to today's video, I colored my hair back to natural hair color, I think 2 weeks before, and my hair texture has really improved and it's looking super natural. So I thought of sharing this with you guys because it's super affordable. I did it just in 185 rupees. So before getting into today's video, please subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. And let's get started. To color my hair, I'm using the Bblunt Salon Secret hair color. So before even getting into the process of hair coloring, you should know your shade of your hair color. So what you can do is check your hair shade near your hair roots. That's where you get to know, that's where you can check your exact shade of your hair color. So I have natural black hair. So you either fall in natural brown or natural black, and you get both of these shade in this hair color range. And you can find this hair color in any of the stores, or you can check online. So talking about the box contents, it has a developer tube, it has a colorant tube, and it has this add-on tube which is a shine-on tube, which gives your hair a natural shine after you color your hair. So before coloring my hair, I'm gonna comb them well. So I'm quickly gonna mix the developer, colorant and shine-on tube and start applying it. So I'm using a glass bowl because these hair colors usually react with metal bowls. And I'm putting on my gloves and applying it. Apply it well and go a little above the highlights because it looks more blended. Partition your hair so that you don't miss out any hair. So now the coloring is done. I'm gonna leave this for half an hour, then wash with the usual shampoo and conditioner. And yeah, that's it. So this is so simple to get rid of your hair highlights, and also you can do this if you have gray hairs. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share this with your friends, and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.